Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to update existing matters that are automatically assigned to you and your evaluators, and also to assign new matters to your evaluators. So in this video, I will be acting as the person being evaluated. Call me David. First, let's talk about how to get to this page. In the email that you receive, you should see a link that will bring you automatically to this page. So once you click the link, you will get to this page where you will see three different sections. The first one, the current status section, will show you where you're currently at in assigning your matters. The second section here will allow you to assign new matters that have not been assigned to any evaluators yet. The third section shows you what matters have been assigned to which evaluators and will also allow you to update those assignments. So now, let's move on to learn how to update existing matters. Let's put your focus back to the third section here, where you see that there are two matters that have already been automatically imported into the system. There's the identity theft matter for Bank of Montreal that me, David, have worked on for 75 hours, and also the second matter on money laundering case for TD Bank, where I have spent 100 hours. To update existing matters, I see that for my identity theft case, I've worked with Alfino, and he's going to be evaluating me. And on the money laundering case for TD Bank, Adam is the one who's going to be evaluating me. So let's update my identity theft matter for Bank of Montreal, where Alfino is supposed to be evaluating me. So I would go to this line here for my matter, where Alfino is evaluating me, and I will click Update here to update that existing assignment to that matter. So there's going to be a summary here where this is me, David, and my evaluator is going to be Alfino for Bank of Montreal, where I have worked on the identity theft matter, and I have spent 75 hours on this one. So this is the place where I'd like to explain to Alfino what I've done in this matter. So for example, let's say I interviewed all of the primary witnesses for this matter. I will then click Save, and the changes that I've done, the comments that I've added, will now show up here under the column Comments, where I interviewed all of the primary witnesses for this matter. And so when Alfino logs in and does his evaluation of me, he will see that I have added this comment. Let me now show you how to assign another matter to an evaluator. So let me bring your attention back to the second section here, which is called Add Assignments. So in this section, you would then be able to select what matter you would like to assign to an evaluator. So when you expand this drop down here, you will see that the three matters are listed here. Bank of Montreal identity theft, with a quick summary of whether or not it has been assigned to how many evaluators. There's the TD Bank money laundering case, which again has been assigned to Adam as the evaluator. And now there's also this one here for the identity fraud matter for TD Bank that is currently not assigned to anyone. So let's work with this example here, and I will select this matter here, the identity fraud matter. And in this case, I will actually select Bob as the evaluator. So skip over one field first to select the evaluator drop down, and I will select Bob as my evaluator, and I will add a description as well on what I've done in this matter with Bob. So for example, let's say I collected all of the necessary documents. Once I selected the matter, I selected who's going to be evaluating me, and I've added the description of what I've done in this matter. I will click Add Assignment. You will see that the assignment that I just added is now added to this section, the third section below, where this is the identity fraud matter that I've assigned to Bob as my evaluator, and the comment that I added there is also saved here. A question that might come up then is, what if for a specific matter, or for some matters, let's say this money laundering case matter, I not only worked with Adam, but I worked with someone else. So there's no problem, because you can also assign multiple evaluators to the same matter. So again, using our example, the money laundering case, I will select this matter here, and I will now select another evaluator to the matter. So let's say I select Alfino, and I'll click Add Assignment. There you have it. Now I have two evaluators, Adam and Alfino, who will be evaluating me on this matter, money laundering case. I can now update the existing assignments that I just added, and here's where VI Desktop shines the most in helping you work more efficiently. So let's say I have more than two, then I would be able to just select whichever one. So let's say in this case I selected Adam as my evaluator. I'll click Update, and instead of updating Adam and Alfino, I can just work on one, and let's say in this case I organized all of the meetings and follow-ups. You will see this checkbox down below where it says apply the above description to all description for this matter on already assigned matters. Now what this checkbox will do is it will update all of the description, not just for Adam, but also for Alfino or for other evaluators in the matter. So you will see once I click this checkbox here and I click Save, there you have it. Now I have all of the comments that I just added for Adam, but not just for Adam, but also saved it for Alfino. And again, if you have more evaluators, and let's say you worked with all of those evaluators in the same thing, then you will have all of the comments added with just one click. Another important point to cover here actually is that an evaluator can also be assigned to multiple matters. You actually saw it when I did this for Alfino. So you see that Alfino has been assigned to the identity theft matter for Bank of Montreal and also to money laundering case for TD Bank. So let me just do it one more time just to make it clear. So again, if you select Bank of Montreal, for example, and I will select Adam again as an evaluator for this identity theft matter as well. And let's say again, it's the same thing here. I interviewed all of the primary witnesses. I'll click Add Assignment, and there you go. You will see that Adam is an evaluator for my identity theft matter and also for my money laundering case matter. After you're done with assigning all of your matters to all of the evaluators necessary, you can now go back to the first section here where there's a checkbox for I have completed the matter assignment report in the current status, and you just need to click this checkbox whenever you're done, and it will update your current status that you have now completed your matter assignment status. In case you did this by error and you need to fix or you need to assign more matters or more evaluators to the matters, you can simply click the update report here, which will bring it back to the in progress status. And once you're done, again, you need to click on the checkbox, which will mark your matter assignment status as completed. This concludes the video, and I wish you the best of luck in your performance evaluation.